In this video, I will show you how to use Verizon MyPlan discounts. So for that, what you can do is set up autopay. For that, simply go to Chrome. In the search bar, search for Verizon. From there, sign in to your account. Once you sign in, click on the three lines menu bar in the top right corner. From there, you can go to billing and payment section. After that, turn on autopay and then link your account or banking account. After that, you will get certain percentage off on eligible line per month. The next thing that you can do is simply register for military, student or first responder. If you are any of this, then you can simply confirm your identity with id.me, upload your work or upload your school proof. From that, you can also get certain discounts. Or the next way to get it is to activate plan perks. For that, you have to simply sign into your account. Once you do that, click on this three lines menu bar again. From there, click on mobile. There you will find shop products and plan perks. Click on it. From there, choose on discounted add-ons like Disney Plus, Netflix. Simply click on add, then set up. After that, you will get it. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.